everyone, greetings from 2K Sports. Get ready for some NBA action. Kevin Harlan here with Greg Anthony and Clark Kellogg, and our sideline reporter is David Aldridge. We've got the Boston Celtics and the Chicago Bulls. It'll be the Celtics off the tip. On the left. Here's McHale. First shot, first basket. He's out of the blocks fast here in the start of the game. Here's McHale, and that one drops. And he's going up for the alley-oop, and Pippen slams it in.
Yeah, and Jordan sees the floor so nicely. I mean, one of his guys has a clean look. He gets the ball to him in whip-like fashion.
Surveying the floor. Pass to McHale. Count the bucket, and he's got a free throw coming up as well. Shoots over Pippen. Whistle blows. Basket is good. So a chance here for a three-point play.
Possessions. Right now, they need a basket.
Back to Rodman. Stolen by Parish. Ainge up top. The pass to Bird. Pippen with the steal. Cross contact on the shot, and now a three-point play chance as he'll head to the line. And he makes no mistake on the slam dunk. There's 18 seconds left to play in the... that was a strong goal! Three-point range. No good on the last second attempt there. We come back right after this. Poked loose. Longley with it, and it's Bird picking him up. It's Pippen with the drive, and the slam dunk by Pippen. Now here's Pippen, guarded closer. Off target with the jump hook. The Celtics with the lead. Here's Bird, and he drives in.
That's something to keep an eye on.
Chicago making some changes. Lee's checked in for Bushy, and it's Harper in for Steve Kerr. And that was a great replay we just saw of our Mobile One block. Redmond comes in for Danny Ainge. On the court right now for the Celtics. Rab is out there with Parish. Then there's Bird. That's for Chicago.
Great hustle defensively through the first half, contesting everything and racking up the block shots.
Making a difference here, too.
Here's Rodman following the basket by Larry Bird. And Pippen slams it in.
Hey, it's simple. When Pippen is feeling it, he's getting him the ball.
Bird outside. That one falls, coming off Johnson's feet. Passes it to Kukoc for the three. Offensive rebound. Rodman tacks on a rebound, +2 with the putback jam.
Good to see a player going all out in the games this time.
Pass to McHale. And he banks in the layup. From downtown, Kukoc gets the bucket.
Looks like the latter. I mean, those threes are not really falling yet.
Here's Vincent. Here's Wedman. No good on the shot, a bit long that time. Fast break, here comes Chicago. And a wide open look for Jordan. And the Bulls, another three. Also with a sub, Bird's checked in. Kerr, the pass to Jordan. Nails the baby hook. Jordan's got the lead up to 9 now for the Bulls.
And Jordan is simply amazing at finishing through contact. Doesn't matter what you throw at it or who, he finds a way to score.
And so it's the Chicago Bulls ahead by 9 as the quarter comes to a close. They're feeling very confident, shooting the ball with great efficiency and dictating the pace. Right back after this break.
And now, the 2K Sports Halftime Show.
Greetings to each and every one of you watching at this very moment. I'm Ernie Johnson. Kenny the Jet Smith is here. Shaq is here. One half is behind us. Welcome to the 2K Sports Halftime Show. It was a closely contested first quarter for Chicago. They were always within striking distance. 5 points was their biggest deficit. They had the upper hand in the second quarter. They've got a 9-point lead, and the third quarter probably can't get here fast enough for them. What'd you think, Shaq, about Chicago?
They shot a great percentage from the field, and not by accident. Their movement was good, they're making good decisions, and the coach loves to see that kind of efficiency out of his guys.
Kenny, how'd you think the Celtics were playing?
It looked like they were shooting threes blindfolded. Sometimes you could get cold, but that was atrocious. It was scary. But they also looked scattered out there, and I think that disorganization was the main issue for them missing those shots. They need to establish themselves better into a better rhythm.
And it's just about time now for the third quarter to get underway.
Johnson from outside. The putback. Great positioning on the putback.
And the Chief making his presence felt on that offensive backboard. Doesn't look like he's outworking you until you see the ball drop through the net.
Outside, Rodman. Stolen by Bird. And the shot is good. The Chicago lead has been cut down now to just 3.
Through the glass with a lot of passion.
Guys, that's been the key to their lead. I mean, simply put, the effort they've displayed on the glass has been...
Takes a 3.
I'll tell you, you are playing with fire anytime you leave this guy open, and they just got burned.
Covered by Smith. Inside. Boom! He jammed it straight down.
Impressive one-hand slam right there, B.A.
Man, as long as he... And here's Jordan. 6 on the shot clock. Shot from the wing. They get it back with 1 on the clock.
And it's so hard to stop the putback when you let him live at the rim like that.
Boy, once he gets his hand... There's a screen. Nice spin off the left rim and in. Defense right on him. Another shot. And it's good on the lay-in. Boston with the triple.
It's a nice delivery there.
Jordan up top, fires it.
And when the game is this close, you have to go all out.
He certainly understands his role, huh? When the shot goes up.
That way, that's tough to take.
Shoots. Again, the Celtics good for 2 more. Out to the wing. Down low. It's stolen. Shots blocked. Pass to Jordan. Just 5 to shoot. Off target with a fadeaway.
Not a lot falling for him in this quarter. He's got to stay aggressive, try to break through, see if you can get an easy opportunity.
Well, that was clearly a foul.
Man, it's good as he snugs it right through the net. Pass to Jordan. Down low. And he takes the feet in stride and slams it home.
And once he gets to the rim, it's fairly automatic.
Now Jordan.
Did you guys see that? What an insane slam.
Man, you got to have some hang time to pull that off. Clock at 6. Uses the glass on the layup. To the left wing. Uses the glass to finish the layup. Good. And he's hit 8 of 14 now. A solid offensive performance. Now here's Jordan. Puts one up from 19. They get it back. Tries again. Deflected. To tie it up. And the Celtics tack on 2 more.
And that was the right decision.
It's nice delivery there.
Here's Harper. Back to Jordan. He hits the back iron and sinks it. Covered by Jordan. Some solid defense from Jordan. Now here's Jordan. Defense is right there. 3-pointer. And Harper gets it to go.
Always a bonus when points come from unlikely sources. And you can see this guy's been working on that shot.
Here's Johnson. 1:05 left in the 4th. Getting it to fall there. He's 8 of 15 in the game. Fader on the way. The shot misses. Here's Johnson. The 3. And out of bounds. The Bulls will take it. And now let's take a look at the New Balance Player of the Game.
This is special. We are witnessing a legendary performance here tonight. He is like levels above everyone else on the floor. Something must have clicked for him in warm-ups tonight. He's just come out and he has run wild.
And that's an intentional foul. So the first one drops, and that gives him a 4-point cushion. And so both free throws good. And there's 25 seconds left in the final quarter. It's deflected, and he commits the intentional foul. He drops the first one. So he goes 2 for 2 at the line, and it's a 7-point game.
Well, it's about the little details. Capitalize at the free.
So the Bulls win it. Boy, they didn't make it easy on their fans or themselves, but at the end of the day, everyone on their side is happy.
Yeah, happy indeed. The momentum shifted away from them a few times, especially early on. But give these guys credit for sticking with the game plan and finishing the job.
And that'll do it, folks. For Doris Burke, Allie LaForce, and Grant Hill, and all of our crew, this is Brian Anderson thanking you for watching this 2K Sports presentation of the NBA. So long, everyone.